Have you ever wondered why some people seem to achieve their goals effortlessly while others struggle? Could it be that they've mastered the art of breaking down their goals into actionable steps? Imagine a journey towards a distant mountain peak. If you focus only on the peak, the journey may seem intimidating, even impossible. But if you break it down into small, manageable steps like trekking to the nearest river, then to the next hilltop and so on, the journey suddenly becomes feasible. The same principle applies to your goals. Breaking down goals into smaller tasks can make the process seem less overwhelming. It's like eating an elephant. You do it one bite at a time. Not only does this make the goal achievable, but it also makes the process more manageable and less stressful. With each small victory, you build momentum and confidence, propelling you forward towards your ultimate goal. So are you ready to learn how to break down your goals into actionable steps? Stay tuned. Setting goals isn't just about knowing what you want. It's also about knowing how to get there. As we navigate the journey of life, setting goals serves as our compass, guiding us towards our desired destination. But how exactly do we set goals effectively? Well, it all starts with a clear and specific goal. Imagine you're the captain of your ship and you're setting sail. You wouldn't just aimlessly wander the seas, would you? No, you'd have a destination in mind. In the same way, your goal should be clear and specific. Instead of saying, "I want to be successful," say, "I want to become the top salesperson in my company within 2 years." The more specific your goal, the easier it will be to map out the journey. Next, break down your goal into smaller, manageable tasks. If your goal is a far-off island, these tasks are the individual nautical miles you need to sail. For instance, if your goal is to become the top salesperson, your tasks could include improving your product knowledge, refining your sales techniques, or increasing your client base. Once you've broken down your goal, prioritize these tasks according to their importance and urgency. Not all tasks are created equal. Some will have a bigger impact on your goal than others. Prioritizing helps you focus on the tasks that will move you closer to your goal the quickest. After prioritizing, create a timeline for each task. This timeline serves as your navigation chart, showing you when and where you need to sail. Be realistic with your timeline. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Finally, take action and monitor your progress. Set sail and keep an eye on your compass. Regularly check your progress to ensure you're on course. If you're off track, adjust your course accordingly. Remember, it's okay to make detours as long as you're moving closer to your goal. Remember, every big goal starts with small steps. So, start setting your goals today, and before you know it, you'll reach your desired destination. Happy journeying! So let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Firstly, we've understood the significance of breaking down your goals into actionable steps. It's like slicing a large pizza into smaller pieces. It's much easier to consume that way. Similarly, a huge goal can feel overwhelming, but when you break it down into smaller steps, it becomes manageable and less daunting. Next, we delved into the step-by-step process of setting goals. We learned that it starts with having a clear vision of what you want to achieve, followed by identifying the necessary steps to get there. We've also stressed the importance of being specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, or SMART, in setting goals. Lastly, we emphasize the importance of taking action and consistently monitoring progress. Remember, a goal without action is merely a dream. Monitoring your progress helps you stay on track and motivates you to keep pushing forward. With these steps, you can turn any daunting goal into a series of manageable tasks. So go ahead, break down your goals, and start making progress. Now that you know how to break down your goals into actionable steps, it's time to put this knowledge into practice. It's a journey, not a sprint. The road to achieving your goals is paved with patience and persistence. It's about making a commitment to yourself to take consistent, steady action, no matter how small. These steps are your roadmap, guiding you through the sometimes complicated terrain of goal setting. They're designed to make the process more manageable, less overwhelming. It's about taking that seemingly insurmountable goal and breaking it down into bite-sized, achievable tasks. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Start today. Start now. Take that first step, then take another, and another. Before you know it, you'll be moving forward, making progress, getting closer to your goals. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So, take that step today. Until next time, keep setting goals and making progress.